All right, you see we back in the trenches, back in my cheering room. I know you said we were just in here, but this is what it looked like last week. And so I think they're doing a pretty doggone good job considering that's all that they did within a week, especially since they stay home on the weekends and not go to daycare. My babies are 1 and 3, so not too much on them. They're learning. Oh, shoot. My intro. Hi, guys, and welcome back to another episode of Me Getting My Life Together, starring your host, that one extra mama. Okay, so if you go back 2 videos ago, we've been talking about Laban, Jacob, Rachel, and Leah. Ooh, that's a lot. But it's been a lot of tea going on, too. So this is part 3 of their family affair. I hope you got your seatbelts on. If not, buckle up because it's about to be a bumpy ride. Okay, y'all. So flip with me to Genesis 31 verses 19 through 35. Let me backtrack a little bit. So I told y'all that Jacob and his family were leaving, and they didn't tell Laban. God told Jacob to move, and Jacob moved. So that being said, when they were getting ready to leave, little Miss Missy Rachel, she got sticky fingers and stole her daddy's homemade idols, his worshiping gods. The audacity. Mind you, Jacob don't know nothing about this. So 3 days after they left, Laban, he's hot. He didn't know they left. Y'all done left, y'all done stole my stuff. He rounds up his kids and they go and find Jacob and his wife and his kids and all his flock and cattle and stuff. Laban finds these people up in the mountains of Gilead. Mind you, before they get there, God came to Laban in a dream. You gonna talk to Jacob nice or you not gonna talk to him at all. Tread lightly on what you say about Jacob to Jacob. You know, God don't play about his children, and neither do I. So boom, Laban catches up to him. Hey, Jacob, y'all stole some stuff from me. Y'all already left and didn't say nothing. You stole some stuff from me. I need my stuff back. Jacob's like, hold on, play. We didn't take nothing from you. And if you think we did, go ahead and search. But if you find something, whoever stole it, you can off them. That's on them. Mind you, he don't know his beloved Rachel's the one that stole the man's stuff. So Laban done went through Jacob's tent and found nothing. He done went through Leah's tent and found nothing. And then it's time for him to go through Rachel's tent. Rachel done took the evidence, put it up on the furniture that's sitting on the camel, and done climbed herself up on the camel. And she tell her daddy, I can't get up, I'm on my period. So now Jacob's like, what, did you find what you was looking for? Nope, he didn't. So the 2 men, they created a threshold and said, you stay on your side and I'm going to stay on my side. Don't you come over here meddling in my business no more. I done worked 20 years for you, 14 for your 2 daughters, and 6 for your livestock. And you done cheated me out of my money multiple times. So they agreed, and Laban kissed his kids, his grandkids, and they headed on back to where they belong. Jacob's back with his family, and there's a whole lot more drama to unpack there too. If you want that tea, just follow along. It really helps your girl out when you all interact with my videos and subscribe and follow. It gets me one more step closer toward my goal.